Hi everyone, I'm Janice from ConnectKey Foundation, and today we'll dive into a Java method called loneTeen that checks if exactly one of two given integers is a teen number, which is a number in the range of 13 to 19 inclusive. And it says that this method returns true if only one of the integers is a teen number and false otherwise. So here we are given two integer parameters, and the easiest way that we can tackle this problem is by creating two local Boolean variables. So I'm going to be naming the first one Boolean A is teen, and the second one Boolean B is teen. In the only case where A is teen is when the number is a teen number, and that means it's greater than 13 or less than 19 inclusive. So we're going to write that out. A is greater than or equal to 13, and A is less than or equal to 19. And the same goes for B is teen. B is teen can only equal true when B is greater than or equal to 13, and B is less than or equal to 19. So the AND operator indicates that the Boolean can only equal true when both of these conditions are met. This and this. So we're going to move on to the return statement now. And only one of these two parameters can be a teen number. So the first case is where A is teen, but B is not teen. And I'm indicating the not with the exclamation point here. In the other case, or, is when B is teen, but A is not teen. And if we test this method out here, we get all correct. So another way to solve this problem, which I think most of you guys would have thought of first, is using if, else if, and else statements. And it's basically going to be the same thing, but we're not going to be using local Boolean variables. So same logic here. The first case is where A is a teen number, but B is not a teen number. And A is a teen number, again, when A is greater than or equal to 13, and A has to be less than or equal to 19. So in the range of 13 to 19 inclusive. And B has to be not a teen number, and B is not a teen number when B is less than 13, or B is greater than 19. So if you see here, this is a case, the first case is where A is a teen number, and the second case is where B is not a teen number. And in this case, we return true. The second case is the opposite of the first case, else if B is a teen number and A is not a teen number. So B is a teen number when it's greater than or equal to 13, and it is less than or equal to 19. And A cannot be a teen number, and A is not a teen number when A is less than 13. Or A can be greater than 19. And in this case, we also return true, because only one of the parameters is a teen number, which is B. In the last case, else, in the case that both of them are a teen number or both of them are not a teen number, we're going to return false. and if we run it, returns all correct. So that's another way to handle the problem. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.